In this video, I'm going to walk us through creating a poster for print for an hypothetical pizzeria, and that's student pizzeria. So this tutorial is suitable for you even if you've not had any experience with CorelDRAW before, because I'm going to go through everything step by step, and I hope you really enjoy it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.
So I can start this document by clicking on new document here, or I can come to files here and select new, or even do just Ctrl N. So I get this dialog and skip all this. I select CMYK because I'm making a printable document. CMYK is the color code for printing. If I were doing a graphics for like a screen for display, I'll be using RGB. Then my page size, I want to use A5, let's use A4 so it will be a little bit big. I'm just doing a quick poster on the wall for awareness purposes. So this is the, I don't need to edit the size because there's a preset here already. So I just leave the color settings also, just remove it. So to draw in a rectangle, I click this tool here. So I select it, then I click and drag. So that's my rectangle, and I want to give it a color. So I think I'm going to give it this color, and I want to give it a different. You see that it filled the inside, but if you look on the edge, there's a button. It's called an outline. So I want to give it yellow. Now when I was giving this fill, I just selected this color. I clicked on it. If I'm going to give it this outline, I'm going to right click. You see it's applied the outline by just right clicking. That's a very nifty handy way to actually work with color. So usually when I want to work with colors, I prefer coming to color because it's a very wonderful tool for me to work with cool color palettes. So because I'm making a poster for a pizzeria or something like that, so I'm going to select food. Then I think this is a nice palette. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and I'm still also going to look around for see. I think this is nice also. I want something that is very contrasting. Oh, this is cool. I like this. So I'm going to download this as an image. I'll also download this as an image. So I can drag from here into CorelDRAW just by dragging it from here directly into CorelDRAW. So I want to drag the other ones. So I didn't drag it well. I'm going to bring it in here and drop in. Okay, yeah, so that's cool. So we have two different palettes now. So what I want to do is I want to define some palettes, and what I will do is I just click here. I think I want to use this color. Let me use this here. So if I want to remove the outline of this color, I don't want it to have any outline. The fastest way is to come to this palette, any of these two palettes. If I click on it, if I left click, sorry, if I left click on this, it takes away the view because this area here is called a well. In Corel we call it color well. This color well, it is called a no fill well. It means that when you click on it, it applies no fill to anything you select. So if I'm going to draw a text, I click on this tool here, and I just click anywhere, and I type down to type fra. Here I'm typing Steve. So if I want to come out of this tool, I have to come back here and select the big tool. When I do the big tool, sorry, it becomes like I can now walk around with it. it. I can even make it big. So yeah, I want to make it not so big. Around this size, yeah. And I want to give it a different color. I want it to have this color. So a quick way to do this, I just click here, then I drop it in here. As you can see, it has applied the color to it instantly. But I feel like the color are not very contrasting, so let me pick something else. I think that's way better. Okay, so let me make it. Yeah, like that. Now I want to have another text, but I want to use a different font now. I want to use a font called Legacy. So yeah, scroll down to the Legacy. Okay, yeah. I want to use black, Legacy black. Let me use exact black. Okay, so I click here, and it's already applied to that. So I want to write Pizzeria. Is that the correct spelling? Pizzeria. I think it's Pizzeria. I click there, and I drag this somewhere here. So I give it this color shape now. So I just drop it in there. So to leave this tool, I can just hit the space bar, select the picture. So there we are. So we have Steven Pizzeria there, and I want to duplicate this rectangle. I don't want to do I don't want to draw a new rectangle. I just want to duplicate this. So a quick thing to do, instead of doing Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, I can just do Ctrl D, and that's duplicate. So once I duplicate it, I can drag it around, and I can even like extend it, like resize it. So I want to give it a different color. I think I would like to give it this color. This is not white. It looks like white, but it's slightly darker than white. So you see this difference. It's not really white. Okay, so I want to add another rectangle. And instead of me even doing the Ctrl D, quicker thing to do is I'm going to drag this. Now if I drag this, in essence dragging this away from me. But if I want to duplicate it, I just right click while still dragging it. So if I right click, you notice there's a little plus sign inside my arrow. That means duplicate. So I can now reduce the size again. So get here. So I want to put an address here, and to do that I come to the text. Write my address. What's the address? I'm just going to make number 90 James Lower Dara Street. So because I'm going to come back and do the click pen tool. So yeah, I want to reduce this, so I can just drag this in James Oluwadara Street, and I think I want it to be very clear, so I'm also going to use this the same color. So there will be, in fact I think I want to make this darker, so I want to use this dark color. So yeah, there we have it. I think I want to add a phone number. So I'll just put dummy number 08000000000. So that's. Let me make this a little taller to catch more attention. Okay, so I'm going to also drag this. So there we have it. I think this number should be. We can make calls. Okay, sweet. So now I want to add a picture to conceptualize what I'm doing. But before I do that, I I want to do something with this text, something a little playful. I want to make this text extend to the head of the stereo. Why? I don't want to elongate it because this is a very wrong thing to do. It's like when you're working in design. So something I can do is I come to this. This is called the shape tool or F10. When I select the shape tool, I can now pull this out. There's a little handle I can pull out to reduce we call this tracking, to reduce the tracking. Or on the other hand, if I prefer that, I can come to the paragraph settings, drop this down, then increase it here. Like it's literally the same thing. But I think it's way faster to use the shape tool to just pull it out. That gives me a cool I think I like it that way. So I think I want to make this bigger. I'm not really satisfied with that size. So I want to bring this down and even make it more space standard. Yeah, I think I like it. So yeah, I want to add an image now. You know what? Let me do this. Okay, let me just. So I want to add an image now, and there are many sites you can get quality images. You can use on Splash, you can use Pixels. But for now, I want to use a site called Raw Pixel. It's a fantastic site. You can get free stock images. Although they have paid subscriptions. So for now, I want to do pizza. I think I like this pizza. Let me see. Oh, I love this pizza. I kind of like that. I want something quietish. I don't really like that. Let me see. Let me just go back to this. Yeah, I think I prefer this. So I'll open it. And because I've downloaded this before, I'm going to click re-download. But before I click re-download, I'm going to select it large, then re-download. So for you to download pictures on Raw Pixel, you need to have an account with them. So it's downloaded, and I can drag this into CorelDRAW here. Okay, so I want to reduce the height. Drag this. Okay, so I want to obviously I'm going to have to crop this image. The cropping is when we remove the parts of the image. Yeah. Some good ways to crop. I can just select this. Okay, so a quick way to crop is to use the shape tool. Select these two edges and just drag them back. Sweetly crop it out. I don't know, I think this image is kind of like out of, it's just kind of off in a way I don't like. So something I can do is to add some effects like transparency. And let me do color first. That's great. Let me do multiply. I think by multiplying, so I want to change this fill here, so I come here and select this. So now it even looks more this, and I actually change this fill here. Okay. So I think I like this design. It's kind of catchy and to call people's attention. So yeah. So now that we are done with the graphics, I think I want to add one other element to call even more attention. I don't know if there's something like that. So I'm going to just drag it. I'm going to draw a circle. And to draw a circle, I clicked on this. Then holding Control, so I can draw a perfect circle. I'm holding Control key down. Then I press spacebar to activate my pick tool. So I want to do something like 100%. 100%. presets natural. So I'm going to duplicate this. Natural. Okay. So yeah. Let me make this capital. And the quick way to do that is to come here in the character and panel. Select this and say all caps. Then yeah, I want to change this font to fragile. I kind of like fragile. So yeah, I want to do something called alignment because it's very important. So, and to get the alignment panel, I click on this button here. If you're not getting this button, another way to do it is to do Ctrl+Shift+A, or alternatively come to tools. Come to Windows, Dockers, then look for the alignment panel. Yeah, align and distribute panel. So this is actually so I don't want this color. I think it's too much. So I want to use this gray now. That's cool. I need a color that is going to contrast with it, so I think I'll have to use this and this. No, I think I start. Then maybe it will be cool if I give it this color also as outline and I remove the fill. I think it's better that way. And I can actually increase the thickness of that line by selecting this button. Then going to 3. That's cool. So here, let me drag it a little bit down. And here, we have our first design in CorelDRAW. And I want to save this design now. So I can click this button here, or do Ctrl+S to save it. And it's always nice to create a new folder for your designs. So you can select create a new folder. And I'm going to name the folder Stephen Pizza. Okay. So yeah, I open it and I can now save it. Pizza poster or whatever you want to save it with. Just something that you can easily remember it by. And yeah, you can add the title here. Something to help you be able to search around and stuff. Then you can embed your fonts, and this is only present in recent versions of CorelDRAW, so that anybody that opens your document, even though they don't have your font, the font used in the design installed on their computer, they can still access the font. So here you can choose the version, especially when you're sharing with people that you know have the recent versions. It's better you go a little back. Sometimes I go as far as 15. So even people with older versions of CorelDRAW can work on it. And I see. So it says this blah 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 blah. But usually you can just click on it and you're still fine. So it asks this, and this says keep appearance. When you keep appearance, it makes it harder to edit. When you keep it editable, it usually changes the appearance. Especially when you're working with stuff with a lot of text fields, outlines, and transparency. But I think this is fine. Keep appearance. Okay, so there we have it. So then we have our design. You can preview your design by clicking this button, pause, and F9. There you have your design.